In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play games on Backbone PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up your PlayStation 5 to play games using your Backbone. So all that you need to set this up is to use PlayStation Remote Play. As you can see, even they acknowledge it here. With PlayStation Remote Play, launch games installed on your PlayStation from your phone. As long as your PlayStation is connected to power and the internet is powered on, you can start new games or jump back from virtually anywhere in the world. So for this, your PlayStation 5 needs to be on while you stream it over to your backbone, and you need to have an internet connection active. So this can be set up by first going over to the PlayStation 5 settings, going into the remote play category and double checking to see if it is enabled. Once remote play has been enabled, download the application on your phone. So you can find it under PlayStation Remote Play on the Play Store or the App Store. And the very first thing that you will see when you open the app is the option to connect to a PlayStation 5. Of course, the same thing can be done on a PlayStation 4. When you choose PlayStation 5, you will have to go through the setup process. This is very intuitive, but basically, it is going to detect the PlayStation 5 wirelessly as long as it is powered on and you are on the same Wi-Fi network. After that is done, you will then see the screen with all of the available options and buttons. So you have the touchpad, the bumpers, and the triggers at the top. You have the D-pad, the joysticks, and so on, and everything will be available. Of course, you can connect the backbone and those virtual buttons will go away. Instead, you will be using the backbone to control your game, and all of this can be done through remote play. It is easy to set up and it is fully compatible with the backbone, so it will be detected as a controller and you will be able to play any game as long as the game is running on your PlayStation 5 and it is powered on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play games on Backbone PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.